Hello everyone, myself Monica Words, and as in the previous session I have discussed with you about the reproduction and types of reproduction. Now we are going to start the asexual process of reproduction, and in this asexual process there are many types by which this kind of reproduction takes place. Different organisms adopt different method, but here in your course there are two important methods. One is the fission process. So fission is asexual reproduction. It is asexual reproduction. What is the meaning of fission? Fission means the splitting or division of the parent body into two or more daughter individual. Splitting means टूट जाना, division means divide हो जाना. It is very interesting in the biology that in mathematics the meaning of division, that you will get the reduced in number. डिवीज़न जब हम मैथ्स में करते हैं तो नंबर रिड्यूस होता है, बट इन बायोलॉजी डिवीज़न प्रोसेस इंक्रीज द नंबर. इट इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग इन बायोलॉजी. Fission process is of two types: binary fission and multiple fission. Binary, in which parent cell divide into two daughter cells, two. In both the process fission is there, means division is there, but if there are only two daughter cells are formed after dividation, then it is binary fission, and if many daughter cells are formed after dividation, then it is multiple fission. Binary fission is in unicellular organisms like in amoeba, like in bacteria. Here we will discuss about the binary fission in amoeba. What happened in this process? There is parent amoeba, single unicellular amoeba. There is a division of nucleus. You can see that nucleus is divided slightly. It is going to this side and this one side. After some time, the cytoplasm which is present inside the cell, that will also divide. Remember the thing, first nucleus divide, then cytoplasm divide, and finally this groove which is made in between this, so this groove is going to be joined the cells. These cells are completely joined together and to form two daughter amoeba. These are the two daughter amoeba. So here only one parent is there and two daughter cells are formed. In multiple fission, you can take the example in Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a group of organism, and this is malaria parasite. Group of organisms. So we are discussing in malaria parasite. There is a parent cell, the complete parent cell, in which there are many daughter cells are formed. In each and every cell there is nucleus and cytoplasm, and on maturation this outer cover will burst. It will burst and all the daughter cells, they come out and grow as an individual cell. So you can see here many cells can come out from it, many cells are formed. That's why this is multiple fission. Another process that we will discuss in the asexual reproduction, this one is budding. Budding process, formation of a new individual from an outgrowth or a bud. This outgrowth is known as bud, arising on the parent body. When on the parent body an outgrowth form, and then the new organism will divide or will form a new one, this is known as budding. This outgrowth is known as bud. Budding in hydra. Hydra is an organism, aquatic organism. There is, you can see this one is outgrowth. This is called bud develop, and this outgrowth grow and form a small little hydra, but it is attached with the parent one. But after some time, when it will completely grow, it will detach from the parent. This one is parent hydra, this one is daughter hydra. So we can see here parent hydra develop a bud that bud will grow and finally it will detach. We can also see budding in yeast. Here it is a parent yeast. Yeast again, it is a microorganism. It is an organism like fungi. So parent yeast form an outgrowth on its surface. This is called bud. So bud develop begins and this bud will form, and on maturation it will divide. So this one is the parent yeast and this one is the daughter cell. Sometime a different kind of division we can see in the yeast. One bud is formed and before detaching the one, a new bud is formed. So there will be a chain formed. So this is known as chain of buds. So you can see this kind of structure and you can see this kind of structure. This is the budding process. Okay, have a nice day and thank you.